Maybe you could just scoop the dirt, Mary, with the pot. Do you think that would work?
I got some.
Good job. Now do the other two.
You do one and I do each, okay?
Okay.
You do this one, okay?
Okay.
Now I do one. Ha ha. So good. There we go. There! I put mine on. But what can we do with the rest?
Now we have to put the seeds in.
I want to do it.
Let me open it for you.
I want to do it, okay? I want no picture.
Okay.